right, guys, we got some free 99 products coming your way. Thanks to Jason Zadora, a long-standing member in our community here at Ableton Advanced Community. And we are talking about Accusonus ERA Bundle Pro. And I tell you what, I've used this twice now on a few spoken word projects of mine, and I got fairly good results. It reminds me of the some of the iZotope products. So, you know, that's saying a lot. That is saying a lot. I do have the Elements bundle from them. So unlike that, this bundle here, which is free, gets all of the products that you can use without any limitations. So the few that I did use was, you know, declick and denoise, and I had a little hard time getting the results that I wanted compared to the results that I would have gotten using the iZotope products. With that being said, you get way more products out of this and you don't have to pay for it. And I could just be not using it correctly. I've only used this twice, so I can't sit here and say that I used all of this tool when it's full capabilities. Maybe at the end I'll use it for this video and I'll know a little bit more. I'm just letting you know this is free. It's worth it. You got to come love this thing. It reminds me of the iZotope bundles. You're going to be able to do some noise correction. Say you're speaking and you're got a lot of these coming out. It'll fix that, pops, things like that. Noises in the room, you can cancel out and fix. Clips, De-Essers. You can remove reverb, voice leveler, automatic EQs. And there is some voice changer stuff in here that just really kills it. I just think it's
excellent. I use that all the time on my streams.
It makes my voice sound like a big crazy person or little creatures, and it actually
sounds really, really good. You can check those out on some of my
videos. Anyway, go check this out from Accusonus ERA Bundle. I'll put the links in the description way down there. What are you doing? Go get this stuff. Hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.